Hi everyone, I have created here is a banner part using Tailwind CSS and HTML. I want to here check here is typing effect. With typing effect I am using less comes in VS Code. Can you see here is a S3. I have take element S3 and here is putting some text and I am taking span tag and give here is a one ID type text. Okay, now go to the browser, type here type.js, click here and click the first URL. Okay, now it comes in, scroll down and here have CDN effect. Copy this URL and paste here. Now comes here and copy this code. Copy, enter the here. Now you have to change according to your text. I am designer, UI developer, and UI UX designer, web designer. Change this text and here is have element. I am adding my ID. Change into the your ID, right? I have paste here is copy this ID paste and here is type speed. I am increasing this type speed and add here is I want to loop effect. Okay, to loop true and also I am back type speed, back speed 150. Let's check. Okay, I need to remove this text because I'm already adding designer, right? Remove this, refresh. Can you check? Thank you watching this video. If you